If you want to eject SIM tray on Realme GT 8 Pro in order to insert SIM cards, then in that case we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find the SIM tray over here. We also have this SIM tray hole in this place, and we need to use the eject tool that you can, for example, find inside the box, and we need to put it into that hole. So once we insert the eject tool into that hole, you want to use a little bit of force in order to push it into the phone to make the SIM tray slightly pop out, so it looks more or less like this. Now we're gonna use our fingernails or fingers in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. And once you do that, there we go. As you can see, we have the SIM1 slot. There we go, SIM number 1, and on the reverse side we can also find SIM number 2, so you can actually use up to 2 SIM cards at the same time. So now we just have to insert them into their slots, and of course make sure that your SIM cards are inserted all the way in and they do not stick out. There we go. This is how it looks like. And once we have our SIM cards inserted, we're just gonna put it back into the phone. So let's just slide it in, use your finger in order to push it all the way in and make sure that it is all the way in actually, and it doesn't stick out. If it does, then it probably means that you have to fix the SIM card. I mean, you will have to check if SIM cards are inserted correctly. And there we go, that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.